Did OpenAI just warn the US government it's losing the AI race to China? Yes, they basically admitted that we're further behind China in the AI race due to this one thing most people aren't even thinking about. Let me explain. You know how we're all using AI for everything now? Writing, brainstorming, image and video creation, all that stuff. Well, AI tools like ChatGPT or Grok or Claude, Perplexity, whichever ones you use, well, they're not running on your phone or personal computer. The AI tools run on clusters of computers that reside in enormous data centers. And I mean ginormous. We're talking warehouses full of GPU computers that are 4 times the size of Walmart distribution centers. Not a super Walmart, the Walmart distribution center where dozens of trucks load. For example, Meta is building an AI data center campus in Louisiana on a site the size of 1,700 football fields. No exaggeration. Other projects in Texas and Arizona are in the range of 900 to 1,600 football fields. And all those computers, well, they need electricity, a lot of it. And here's an interesting thing. AI GPU computing burns way more power than regular computing. So you've got thousands of compute running at full blast, 24/7. And then you need even more electricity just to cool the equipment and the facility. So circling back to the main story, today, OpenAI told the US government that we're falling behind in what they're calling an electron gap with China. Last year, China added 429 gigawatts of new power capacity. The US, only 51 gigawatts. Yeah, you got the math right. China added 8 times as much. And OpenAI is saying, if we want to keep our edge in AI, we need to be building at least 100 gigawatts of new energy capacity every single year. A typical data center needs about 100 to 200 megawatts of power. Some of these new AI campuses are building out entire gigawatt scale facilities. Now, to put that in perspective, at peak summertime load, here's what some US states generate. Kansas, 20 gigawatts. Ohio, 29 gigawatts. New York, 40 gigawatts. Texas, 85 gigawatts. So China's new capacity last year alone, enough power for 5 Texases during peak summertime. Many of the state's power grids are already strained. And there's so much demand that for some data centers, it may take up to 70 years to connect them. So what does this all mean? It means the race for AI dominance becomes a battle for raw electric power. Not chips, not software. Electricity is now the critical strategic resource, just like oil or silicone. And if the US wants to win the AI race, we need the power infrastructure to match and literally fuel our innovation. Otherwise, the AI revolution may not be realized. Well, at least not here in the US. And the next time you ask AI to write something for you or generate an image, just remember, there's a warehouse the size of 4 Walmarts somewhere, burning through enough electricity to power a small city, just to make that happen. Pretty interesting. I'm Vernon Neile Reid, and this is AI Infrastructure Media.